Good morning, students. We have finished already our three chapters, and in our last class, I have given you the question answers. I hope that all of you have written the question answers and have completed your classwork copy as well as. Now, today, we are going to start our new chapter, which is designing and formatting a web page. It means how to design a web page and what are the various techniques to format to make changes in our web pages. Let us see. In this chapter, you will learn about various elements used in designing a web page and also learn how to refine and give a professional look to a web page before uploading it on your website. It means in this chapter we understand how to design a web page and how to give it a professional look. Professional look means over the network how it will look like some other professional websites. Okay, you will understand this in this chapter. Let us know about the usage of various elements. There are various tags and how you can use these tags you can understand in this chapter. Usage of elements. First one is heading. Heading is a type of a tag, or we can say it is a type of element. Okay. This tag is used to define different heading level in the HTML document. If you want to give headings, heading means the text will display on the web page of different sizes. Okay, so there are various heading tag in this HTML document. There are 6 heading levels, H1 to H6. H1 heading style display the text in the largest size and is used for main heading. Basically there are 6 headings from H1 to H6. H1 heading contains the text of largest size and H6 heading contain the text of smallest size. Okay, by default the text size for H1 heading is 24 point. Okay, the lowest level H6 reduces the font size to 8 point and the lowest H6 contain the size of font up to 8 points. The lower level are used for subheading and less important things. It is not essential to use these heading level in hierarchy. These heading tag are written within the body tag of the document. There is no need to use all the heading all together. You cannot use if you don't want to use them in a hierarchy. You can use them individually. Okay, let us see an example. HTML. Let us see an example. You have to make this program in a simple notepad. Previously I have taught you how to make a program in a notepad and how to save the program and how to run the program with the help of your browser. Okay, your default browser. Start with HTML tag. You can write HTML either in capital or in small. Okay, HTML is not case sensitive. It means you can write either in capital or in small. Then in header there is a title tag. In the title you used using heading styles. This title will be displayed when you run this program, will be displayed here using heading style on the over the tab of your page. The title will be displayed. Okay, not in the web page. This is the web page and this is the tab where your title is displayed. Okay, so whatever you write between the title tag, it will be displayed over the tab. This is the title of the web page. Now heading tag close and title. Before closing head tag you have to close title tag. There is a body tag. Open the body tag. Whatever you read between the body opening tag and closing tag, it will be displayed over your web page. Okay, now here I am using h1 tag and between h1 tag I have written some text. Keeps publishing world. This is a text which is going to be displayed according to the size of heading h1. The size of heading h1 is 24, so this keeps publishing world will display at the top of the page with 24 point size. This is the largest size. This is h2. Again the same text, h2 tag closed. The text below h1 tag will display the text little bit smaller than the h1 tag text. Similarly, H3, H4, H5, S6. Look at here. S6 tag contains the text with the smallest size up to 8 points. So this is the content of the S6 tag. Let us see how you will see that on the browser all this text will display in the descending order of their point size. Okay, so this is the way to use all the heading tag. You can use uh, if you don't want to use all these heading all together, you can use individual heading. Okay, either you can use H1 or H3 or any one of them. Okay, now body tag closed, HTML tag closed. When you type this code in the notepad, save this document as .html extension, plus before .html extension you have to give the name of the file and then save as. And after saving, click on the icon of the file which is saved with the help of browser, and the browser will display the content of the text like this. Okay, now there is another tag, paragraph. Paragraph simply means, what is a paragraph? Any text containing more than a few lines should be given inside the paragraph tag. If you have a text which contains more than one line, you can write it between paragraph tag. The paragraph tag starts with symbol P, which is written here like this, and it is closed like this, closing tag P. P tag is used to display text in the form of paragraph. It means when you write any text between this opening P tag and closing P tag, you can write the text in the form of paragraph. To mark the end of the paragraph, closing P tag is used. Okay, when you write the text, you can close the paragraph. Okay, a paragraph can be aligned using the attribute name align. You can align a paragraph. Align a paragraph means you can align the text according to the content, according to the size of your, according to the display area of your web page. This is the left, this is right side, this is top, this is bottom. Okay, so you can align the paragraph according to the window of the web page. So by using align attribute of the paragraph, you can align your text. Let us see over here. This is an example. P tag open, and to start a paragraph we have to use P tag. Align the text in center. If you want to align the text in the center of the web page, then you have to use P align equals to center. If you want to align the text to the right side of the web page, then you have to write P align equals to right. If you want to align the text to the left side of the web page, then you have to use P align equals to left. So these are the various attributes, center, right, left, which you can use in the P tag, and with the help of these attributes you can align your text. You can display your text on the web page according to the value, center, right or left. There is another value, P align equals to justify. What does this means? Align the text from both the left and right margin. It means it will align the text equally from left margin and right margin equally. Okay, align attribute can also be given with heading style tag, font tag or paragraph tag. This align attribute you can use with heading tag. It means you can use from H1 to H6 heading, as well as in the font tag. The font tag will be, come in the later part of our chapter, or paragraph tag. Paragraph tag, this we are learning. Now there is another tag, center tag. The center tag is used to align the text to the center of the page. This center tag is a standalone tag which you can use on any text material which you want to display in the center of the web page. To center the text, type center opening tag before the text and type closing center closing tag after the text. Whatever the text you want to align in the center of the web page, you can write it between center opening and center closing tag. Now comment. The comment are those part of the HTML program which will not going to be displayed on your web page. These are used to show for the reading purpose only. So far you have seen that whatever you write in between the tag and body structure get displayed in the web browser. Whatever you have written in the body tag, it will be displayed on the web browser. But sometimes you want to write notes for yourself in the HTML document, but don't want them to display in the browser window. In such case, you need to use commenting tag. If you want to write something as a note in your program for your understanding in the near future, and you don't want to display that content on the browser, so you can write these notes in the commenting tag or in the comment tag. How you can write comment tag? Syntax: opening tag, exclamation, double hyphen. This is double hyphen. Okay. Learning HTML is a great fun. So this text will not going to be displayed on your HTML page, and then you close the comment tag. Okay. You can also type the syntax comment. This is a tag. Learning HTML is a great fun, and close the comment. So these are the two ways to write a comment on the HTML document. You can write it anywhere where you want to understand, you want to give special notes to the user. BR tag. BR tag को बोलते हैं break. BR tag. This tag break the line and display the text from the next line. It means if you want to display the content from the next line, you can use BR tag after the text. Without giving any space between two lines should be given at the end of the line, after which a new line is required. If you want to display a long line and display it into two lines, so you can use the BR tag. It is a type of empty element. Empty element means it does not contain any closing tag. So BR tag is a empty element, you can say it. Then HR tag. HR means horizontal rule. If you want to display a line or separate a web page into different sections, you can use HR tag. It is used as a separator between block of text. You can use it as a separator between different types of text. The HR element draw a horizontal line across the web page. The type HR where you want to insert a horizontal line in between the text. If you want to display a line between the text, you can use HR tag. In HR tag, type size equals to question mark. You can use in HR tag attribute size in which question mark replaced with the thickness you want to apply. So if you want to give the value of size equals to 100, so 100 will be the value of the thickness of your horizontal line. 100 here 100 is the pixel. 100 will be noted in the form of pixel. The size attribute of HR is given value in the term of pixels. Okay, a pixel is equal to dividing an inch into 72 point, and you get the value of pixel. A single pixel is equals to inch divided by 72 points. Okay, it means 1 inch equals to 72 point and 1 point equals to 1 pixel. So inch is divided into 72 point and 1 point is equals to 1 pixel. Okay, if you write 72 over here, size equals to 72, so the thickness of your horizontal rule will be of 72 point, which is equals to 1 inch. Okay, now syntax we will discuss it later. First we will discuss a program. HTML open, head open, title, creating paragraphs, title close, heading close, open the body tag. Here I am giving HR size equals to 12. So first of all I will display a line over the top of the page. So look at here, this is the line which is displayed. This line has no color. Okay, but you can see the horizontal rule is displayed over here. The thickness of the line is 12 point. It means 12 pixel. P align equals to center. Now you are using a paragraph tag, and in which the text is display at the center of the page, and that's at the center is the text with display is thought of the day, and you have closed your p tag. So let us see here that the thought of the day will be displayed in the center of the web page. Okay, now p align equals to justify. You again use the paragraph tag and you have written some text, 3-4 line text, and you have closed the text. So all this text will display on the web page in the justified manner. It means the text contains equal distance from the left margin as well as from the right margin. Look at here, this is the left margin, this is the right margin, equal distance. Okay, so this is the text which will be displayed in the form of paragraph which we have written here. Now p align equals to right. Now there is a text which will be displayed, going to display in the right side of the margin, which text is this? Keeps team. So here is the keeps team which will be displayed in the right side of the margin. Now I am using center tag always remember. So this always remember will displayed at the center of the page. So this is the center, always remember. Center tag close. No, center tag will not close. Then don't ask Lord to give. This is the text which should always be displayed in the center, because center tag is not closed. Okay, so here I am using br tag. So this text is displayed in the center, and from the new line this text is again going to displayed at the center. Look at here, this is displaying at the center. Okay, now center tag close, body tag closed, and then HTML document close. So if you save this content and run the program, it will look like this. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Make the 2 programs and practice it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. In the next section, in the next class, we will discuss the next elements of this chapter.